Salam everyone, I'm back with another recipe. Today we're making chocolate brownies out of a very easy and simple recipe, so let's get started. Take about 100 grams of softened butter and beat it for a while. Next goes in 1.5 cups of sugar. When the butter and sugar mixture gets a bit fluffy, add in 3 eggs. Next goes in a cup of all-purpose flour. Add in half cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of milk. I added the milk off camera. Next goes in a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder. You can add in half cup of cooking chocolate. This is optional. Here I've added in a teaspoon of chocolate extract. You can also use vanilla essence if you don't have this. Now shift the batter into a greased baking pan and bake on 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes or until it gets completely baked. And definitely we'll top the sponge using chocolate ganache, as brownies are incomplete without it. For decorating my brownies, I used white chocolate. This is optional. You can cut the brownies in whatever size you want. That's it for today. If you guys like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn that black thumb blue. I'll see you in my next recipe. Till then, take care. Goodbye.